This is for the serpent. The serpent spirit, the serpent. In case you're watching this video and you want to know who is the serpent is the Japanese, the Chinese. Chinese. There is a special message came for you from Aya. You're taking over Africa, you're taking over Jamaica. You want a piece of the pie everywhere, but you're a serpent. Everywhere you go, destruction follow you. Because of you Chinese people, heavy destruction will take Jamaica. Earthquakes, tsunamis, flooding. As a matter of fact, the sea is going to take back its course. In Jamaica, it's all because of the serpent. Serpents, get the hell out of Jamaica. Thus saith Aya, Yahweh, the Almighty God. Many people call him Jesus Christ of Nazareth, but I preferably call him Yahweh. Serpents, get out of Jamaica.